Look at this cute flower pot. Mother's Day is on its way. Surprise your mother with this adorable handmade gift. I use this foam clay. It's so soft and fluffy like a marshmallow. Roll it like this and flat its top and bottom surfaces. If you find my video useful, then hit that subscribe button and support my YouTube journey. Roll a piece of silver wire and green clay to make flower stem. Now make tulips. You can use any color. Pinch small clay piece to make petals. Carefully with light hands. Don't put force, otherwise you can miss it. It's looking so much cute. Just add 2 or 3 petals. Here I am applying blush. You can use soft pastels if you have. You can write mom, mama, ma, mommy, or whatever you use to call your mother. It's looking so much good. Do you know, when I showed this to my mom, she really liked it. Make this cute gift for your mom. You will not regret making this. I make this one in my last video. You can watch tutorial. Okay, see you soon. I hope you enjoyed it.